What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to factory reset your Redmi 13. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, tap on about phone. Now scroll down and tap on factory reset, and then again tap on erase all data to confirm. Now enter your PIN, password or pattern to confirm your identity, and after that your phone will be resetted back to factory default and everything will be deleted from your phone, including contacts, photos, videos, apps, accounts. Everything will be deleted. So tap on this option and enter your password, and after that your phone will be resetted back to default. So that's how you can factory reset your Redmi 13. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.